Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. I am very happy to see you here today. If you are learning English, you are in the right place. In this video, we will learn how to improve your English quickly. Yes, it is possible to speak English faster if you practice a little every day. You don't need to study for many hours at once. Small steps every day are very important. We will learn simple words, short sentences, and small conversations that you can use in real life. We will practice listening, speaking, reading, and even writing together. You will see that English is not difficult if you follow simple steps. Are you ready? Let's start our journey to speak English confidently. Repeat after me: I can learn English. I can speak English. I will practice every day. Excellent. Do you want to speak English confidently? Yes. That is wonderful. Many people think learning English takes many years. But the truth is, you can improve fast if you practice regularly. Fast learning is not about studying for hours once in a while. It is about practicing a little every day. For example, 10 minutes today is much better than 1 hour once a month. If you practice 5 minutes every morning, you will speak better in just a few weeks. Listen to English songs, repeat sentences, watch short videos, and speak simple sentences with a friend or even by yourself. These small daily steps make a big difference. Remember, English is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Learning English can feel hard sometimes. Don't worry. Many people feel the same. The key is to be patient and consistent. Ask yourself every day, can I try today? Yes. You can. Every day you practice, you improve. Even 10 minutes is very helpful. Let's do a small exercise together. Repeat these sentences aloud: I am learning English. I can speak English. I try every day. Very good. Say it slowly and clearly. Smile while you speak. Learning English is fun if you enjoy the process. Every small step counts, and soon you will notice improvement. Fast English learning needs patience and consistency. You cannot learn everything in one day. That is okay. Learning is like planting a tree. You water it every day, and slowly it grows. For example, Maria from Spain practiced 10 minutes every morning. She listened to English, spoke sentences aloud, and read short stories. After 3 months, she could speak simple sentences easily and understand short videos. Do you see? Practice every day, even a little, is more powerful than long study once in a while. Repeat after me: I practice English every day. I am patient. I improve slowly. Great job. Let's look at another example. John from Japan wanted to travel to the UK. He could not speak English at first. He started with short sentences like, I eat, I drink, and I go to school. He repeated these sentences every day, listened to English videos, and spoke with his friends. After 6 months, John could talk with locals and ask for directions, order food, and make friends. Do you understand? Learning fast is possible. You need daily practice. Ask yourself, can I speak English today? Yes. Try simple sentences now. Repeat after me: I go to school. I eat lunch. I drink water. Excellent. One important tip for fast learning is to think in English, not always translate from your language. For example, when you see a cat, think, this is a cat, instead of translating from your language. Thinking in English makes speaking faster and easier. Let's try a few sentences. I see a dog. I like my dog. My dog is small. I play with my dog. Repeat each sentence 3 times. Speak slowly at first. Try to imagine the meaning while you speak. If you practice thinking in English every day, you will notice a big improvement in your listening and speaking skills. Now, we will practice listening. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Say, I eat. I drink. I go to school. I read a book. Repeat each sentence 3 times. I eat. I eat. I eat. I drink. I drink. I drink. This repetition helps your brain remember new words and sentences. Listen to your own voice. Can you hear the words clearly? Great. Now try asking yourself a question in English. Do I eat apples? And answer, yes, I eat apples. Listening and repeating short sentences every day helps you improve fast. Let's try more sentences. Listen and repeat, I like apples. I like water. I go to the park. I play with my friend. I read a book. Repeat each sentence 3 times. Then ask yourself questions. Do I like apples? Do I go to the park? Answer, yes, I like apples. Yes, I go to the park. Speaking and listening together every day will help your English grow. Remember, don't worry about mistakes. Repeat slowly and clearly. You can do it. Now, let's practice a short dialogue. A. Hello. How are you? B. I am fine, thank you. And you? A. I am good. B. That is great. Repeat this dialogue aloud. Try acting like the people in the conversation. Use your hands and voice. You can also change the names. A. Hi, Anna. How are you? B. I am fine, thank you, Tom. And you? Practicing dialogues like this helps you speak English naturally in daily life. Repeat the dialogue 3 times. Here are some tips for listening practice. Listen to English songs, short videos, or podcasts. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Focus on small words, short sentences, and common phrases. Repeat them aloud. Try to listen and repeat at the same time. You can also record your voice and listen. Ask simple questions. What do I hear? Can I say it? Repeat the words, sentences, or dialogues 3 times. Listening every day will improve your pronunciation, vocabulary, and confidence. Now, let's practice speaking English. Speaking is very important because it helps you use the words and sentences you learn. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, everyone makes them, and mistakes help you improve. Today, we start with greetings. Repeat after me, hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Excellent. Now, let's make a short dialogue using these greetings. Speaking small dialogues every day helps you become more confident. You can also practice in front of a mirror or with a friend. Try asking questions, how are you, and answer, I am fine, thank you. Say it slowly at first, and repeat 3 times. Try to smile while speaking, it makes learning more fun and natural. Here is a simple dialogue you can practice daily. A. Hello. B. Hi. How are you? A. I am fine. And you? B. I am good. Thank you. Now repeat the dialogue slowly, line by line. First, you say line A, then line B. Speak clearly and slowly. Try changing the names or words. A. Hello, Anna. B. Hi, Tom. How are you? Practicing dialogues like this every day helps you remember phrases naturally. Repeat this dialogue at least 3 times. After some practice, try adding more questions. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you like? This small practice helps you speak English confidently in real life. Paragraph 13, Self-Introduction. Next, let's learn how to introduce yourself. Self-introduction is very useful in school, work, or when meeting friends. Repeat after me, my name is, your name. I am, your age, years old. I am from, your country. I like English. Excellent. Now we make a mini dialogue. A. Hello. What is your name? B. My name is Anna. And you? A. My name is John. Nice to meet you. B. Nice to meet you too. Practice this dialogue aloud 3 times. Then try it with different words. I like football, I like apples, I like music. Speaking about yourself makes learning personal and fun. Try adding small sentences. I have a cat, I live in a house, I go to school. Repetition is very important here. A great way to practice speaking is the shadowing technique. Shadowing means speaking at the same time as a speaker. You listen and speak together with the voice. For example, listen to the sentence, I go to school every day. Say it at the same time as me. Repeat 3 times. This method helps your pronunciation and fluency. You can use videos, audiobooks, or songs. Start with short sentences and gradually use longer ones. Shadowing also helps your brain think in English without translating. Try making small dialogues and shadow them. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I read a book. Speak loudly, clearly, and confidently. Now, let's learn some vocabulary. Words are the building blocks of English. First, we learn numbers. Repeat after me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now, use numbers in sentences. I have 1 apple. I have 2 books. I see 3 birds. Repeat each sentence 3 times. Numbers are used every day, so practice them often. Try making your own sentences. I eat 4 bananas. I have 5 friends. Vocabulary practice is fun if you use it in real life. Speak, write, and repeat words daily. Next, let's learn colors. Repeat after me, red, blue, green, yellow, black, white. Excellent. Now, make sentences with colors. I like red. My bag is blue. The book is green. The ball is yellow. My shoes are black. Repeat each sentence slowly 3 times. Try asking questions using colors. What color is your bag? Answer, my bag is blue. Using vocabulary in questions and answers helps your memory. You can also look around your house and name colors aloud. Practice every day. Let's learn some food words. Repeat after me, apple, banana, bread, milk, water, rice. Very good. Now make simple sentences. I eat an apple. I drink milk. I like bread. I eat rice every day. Repeat each sentence 3 times. You can also ask yourself questions. Do I eat apples? Do I drink milk? Answer, yes, I eat apples. Yes, I drink milk. Practice speaking food words while you eat. For example, when you eat bread, say, I eat bread. This helps you learn English naturally. Paragraph 18, Mini Quiz. Let's do a mini quiz to remember words. I say a word, and you make a sentence. Example, orange, I eat an orange. Now try these words, cat, school, water, book. Speak your sentences aloud. Example answers, I see a cat. I go to school. I drink water. I read a book. Repeat 3 times. Quizzes like this help you remember vocabulary better. You can also write your sentences in a notebook. Daily repetition and active practice make your English stronger. Paragraph 19, Simple Grammar, Present Tense. Now, let's learn simple grammar, the present tense. The present tense is used to talk about things we do every day. Repeat after me, I eat. You eat. He eats. She eats. We eat. They eat. Excellent. Now use them in sentences. I eat rice. She eats bread. They eat apples. Repeat 3 times. You can also ask questions. Do you eat rice? Answer, yes, I eat rice. The present tense is very common, so practice it every day. Repeat slowly and clearly. After reading, let's practice comprehension. Ask and answer these questions. Who is Tom? He is a boy. What does Tom like? He likes apples. What does he do every morning? He eats an apple. Where does he go? He goes to school. What does he do after school? He reads a book and drinks water. Repeat the answers aloud 3 times. Answering questions helps your brain remember new words and sentences. You can also make your own questions. Who are Tom's friends? What does Tom play? Practicing reading with questions every day is very helpful for listening and speaking skills. Here is another short scenario to practice speaking and listening. A. Hi, Lisa. What are you doing? B. Hi, Tom. I am cooking. A. What are you cooking? B. I am cooking rice and vegetables. A. That is great. Can I help you? B. Yes, thank you. Repeat this dialogue slowly. Try changing the words. I am eating bread. I am drinking water. I am reading a book. Practicing short dialogues every day will help you speak naturally in real-life situations. Don't forget to repeat 3 times. Reading is more fun when you act it out. Take the dialogues or short stories and act them with your voice, hands, and facial expressions. For example, when you say, I am cooking, pretend to cook. When you say, I play football, pretend to kick a ball. Acting makes learning English more memorable and helps you remember sentences without translating. Repeat the stories or dialogues 3 times while acting. This technique helps your brain think in English and makes speaking faster. Here are some tips to practice English every day. You can divide your time into listening, speaking, reading, and writing. For example, 5 minutes listening to songs, 5 minutes repeating sentences, 5 minutes reading short stories, and 5 minutes writing a few sentences. Small daily steps are better than long study. Another tip is to use English in real life. Speak to friends, classmates, or even yourself. Watch English videos and repeat the sentences. Listen to English songs and try to sing along. Read short stories or simple books. You can also write small sentences in a notebook. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I like music. Try to use English every day in your home, school, or free time. The more you use English, the faster you will learn. Repetition is the key to fast improvement. Remember, small steps lead to big results. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Every mistake is a step forward. Speak, listen, read, and write a little every day. Ask yourself, can I try today? Yes. Even 5 minutes counts. Reward yourself when you practice. Repeat your favorite sentences, make mini dialogues, and smile while learning. Learning English is like planting seeds, daily care makes it grow. Stay positive, consistent, and patient. You will see results in a few weeks. You have done a great job today. Remember, every day you practice, you become stronger in English. Start today, even for 5 minutes. Repeat your lessons, speak, listen, read, and write every day. Believe in yourself. I can learn English. I can speak English. I will practice every day. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, repeat the videos, and stay consistent. Your English will improve faster than you think. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and enjoy the journey. Every day is a new chance to be better in English.